Boris Johnson's main messages, apart from announcing that confirmation of that 100,000 plus deaths here in the UK from COVID-19, was to say that he was deeply sorry for every life that has been lost, because, of course, behind the numbers are lives, are human beings, are families, are grieving families. So the NHS, the National Health Service here, is continues to be under huge pressure. There are over 37,500 people across the United Kingdom that are in hospital, over 4,000 of them, as we know, on ventilators. So today's figures were marginally better as far as infections are concerned, quite a bit better, I should actually say, over 20,000 new cases. But when you know that until about 10 days ago, we had 50, 60,000 or more per day, you can see that that's 40 or 50,000 less. So that is definitely better, because fewer infections means fewer deaths. Speaking of deaths, 1,631 deaths. Now, we know that there's a lag at the weekend, so sometimes the middle week figures are not good at all. But this is, in fact, the second daily highest since the beginning of the pandemic. So this is, of course, very bad news. Now, apart from saying that he was sorry that this had been happening, we basically had the Health Secretary, Matt Hancock, saying that this was indeed heartbreaking. And it was interesting to see the Prime Minister repeatedly say, we've done everything we can. My government has done everything in our power. We are to reduce deaths, to minimise the cost, human cost of this. Of course, there'll be some people who don't actually agree with that assessment.